Well, we got the water pump out. It was a chore. Not so much getting the water pump itself out, but cleaning up the surface where the previous installer had put tons of gasket sealant, and it all had to be cleaned off before I could put a new one on there. So between a putty knife, a razor knife, a Dremel tool, and then a wire brush head for my drill, I was able to get it all off. Still got to do a little cleanup in there to get the metal shavings out, but otherwise it's almost ready to go for the new part. Okay, we're back with the water pump. We did get it in. Unfortunately, I didn't film anything because I ran out of battery power, and I'm the only one doing this, and it's tight quarters, and I cuss a lot. So there it is. But the pump's on. Cleaned all the bolts up with acetone. Used Loctite on the way in. That mating surface though, man, that took forever. That was like at least an hour 15 minutes of non-stop cleaning that up from the previous install. But it is clean now. Everything's torqued down to specs, which is a very light 10 foot-pounds, which is kind of odd. But this should last now, hopefully.